Welcome to our AI Fundamentals series. In this lesson, we're going to explore a powerful question: what exactly is artificial intelligence? We'll look at how AI began, how it has evolved, and why it has become one of the most important technologies of our time. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines that are designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding language, recognizing images, solving problems, learning from experience, making decisions. In simple words, AI is about creating systems that can think, learn, and act intelligently, just like humans, but faster and at much larger scales. AI is not magic. It's mathematics, data, and algorithms working together to mimic intelligent behavior. AI didn't start with the powerful tools we have today. In fact, the earliest AI systems were rule-based. These early systems followed strict, handwritten rules like, if the temperature is above 30 degrees, turn the fan on. They could only do what we explicitly programmed them to do. But as the world grew more complex, rule-based systems weren't enough. This led to a major breakthrough: machine learning. Instead of giving computers rules, we gave them data. Computers started learning patterns from examples, just like humans learn through experience. Later came deep learning, inspired by the human brain. Deep learning uses artificial neural networks, layers upon layers of tiny computational neurons, to learn incredibly complex patterns. Today's AI systems, like ChatGPT, image generators, and self-driving cars, are all built on this deep learning revolution. You'll often hear the terms AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Let's break them down clearly. AI is the big umbrella, any system that shows human-like intelligence. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Computers learn from data instead of being explicitly programmed. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, using neural networks to learn complex patterns. So remember, all deep learning is machine learning, and all machine learning is AI, but not all AI is machine learning. This hierarchy is essential for understanding modern AI. AI is already all around us. Here are a few examples you use every day. Voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. Recommendation systems on YouTube, Netflix, and Amazon. Navigation apps like Google Maps. Spam filters in your email. Face recognition on smartphones. Chatbots and customer support systems. Self-driving car technologies. And of course, generative AI tools like ChatGPT and image creation models. AI is quietly powering the apps we love, the services we use, and even the businesses we depend on. So to summarize, AI is the science of creating intelligent machines. It evolved from simple rule-based systems to powerful deep learning models. AI, machine learning, and deep learning form a hierarchy. And AI is already transforming every industry, from healthcare to education, entertainment to finance. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into machine learning and discover how computers learn from experience. Thanks for listening, and stay tuned for the next lesson in our AI Fundamentals series.